So I was going to make a whole video on this, but I think it's just a really quick fix video. Have you ever had an issue with your shifter going into gear and then just being really, really sloppy? Like, that's neutral, that's not. What in the heck? So, this whole car has been all the big things, making the coil unplugs work instead of having the distributors, you know, getting the supercharger to work, getting the Heltec to work, getting, you know, everything together that I was not really sweating the little details. When you're shifting on the track, you're going from first to second, not a big deal, but trying to find third when it's this floppy, boy, I'll tell you what. So if you're wondering why your car, doesn't matter what it is, especially something like the R154 or any other Toyota transmission, what you're going to be looking for is this little plastic bushing right here. And as you can see, that's, well, for an example or comparison, this is what it's supposed to look like. Not that. So let's go ahead, switch this out and see how much of a difference it is. It's pretty straightforward. And do this one-handed. We're going to just take this off like that. Take the new one, slip it right on. Slip it right on. Hold on a second. Let me get my other hand on here. Just that simple. Now we find the right orientation. We put it in the hole. Just like that. Now, once we get it all bolted down, where's the shifter? It's way better than the, yeah, it's, look at that. That's way better. So now, boom, boom, boom. Third gear is nice and fresh. And that means we can bang shift again and not miss third on the drag strip. Now, if you like this content, we're going to be working on the Caprice next and the Trash Panda. Soon, we're also going to be putting a new dashboard in the 70 Buick, so we can get that back on the road. Guys, it has been an awesome year, and we take the highs and the lows as we get them, and we just keep pushing forward. If you like this kind of content, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And as always, keep your shiny side up, and God bless.